We are at the newly refurbished Bradford Hose building, and we're going to take a walk through apartment number 4. This unit is a 3-bedroom unit, and it's actually a handicapped accessible apartment. And I'm going to sort of spin you around. This is the first large open area as you come in. And it sort of is your general living and dining area with the brand new kitchen with all new appliances. We also have ground floor access to the backyard. Pretty snowy right now. We're going to walk you down the hallway, and we have, of course, as with many of the units in this building, nice hardwood floors for the most part of the living areas. And then we have carpeting in the bedrooms, and we'll go ahead and start with the 2 smaller bedrooms and the adjacent full bathroom with all the handicapped accessible bathing unit. And this is into the first of the bedrooms. And I'm going to spin around here to just give you a look of it. Each bedroom has a full closet. Not a huge bedroom, but a nice average size room. Coming back to the hallway, to the second bedroom, which is pretty much a mirror image of that first one we just looked at. I'll go back here and then kind of scan backwards to give you a feel for it. And again with a full closet. And then back to the third and largest bedroom of the unit. And all these bedrooms do have very nice light. And of course, this entire building has been retrofitted for energy efficiency and for your comfort, which means that these apartments are nice and snug and warm. There is an on-site laundry and off-street parking as well. So this is apartment number 4 of the Bradford Hose, our handicapped accessible 3-bedroom unit.